Right, so second walk around the RX. I'm being a bit slack at the moment, but it's only because I've got about a million fucking things to do in between these jobs, including the Viggy. Anyways, so last time I've done a video, it was a bit darker than that. Anyway, so pretty much what's the point of this video, what you're looking at? Well, you should be looking at what I'm looking at with the screen. A nice baby blue original paint. It had all fucking obviously the black overspray in it, so there's a few bits I'm cleaning up, but so far I've not even cleaned the frame down since yet. That's just literally, yeah, getting all this overspray off. You can see this was all sprayed up and that, cleaning that up. Fork legs are going to be coming off. We'll give those a coat of paint. I'm going to take the swing off altogether. But what I'm really impressed with, yeah, is how clean this linkage is and all that. This is weird. This bike, I tell you what, people, it is a bit of a time classic. Time classic? Fucking timepiece. Whatever. You know the fucking word I'm on about. It's nice. You know, three little things. But, yeah. I know the lad's waited a bit to get on the roads, but you've still got to do a CVT yet anyway, so. But, yeah, I just want to do a quick walk around it again, show you a little update. I've got a new tailpiece down there. As you can see, those plastics have got to be rubbed down. I was a bit sort of like hesitant at first because you wanted them black. Because they were oversprayed, because I could see the paint underneath, and I thought the paint was quite good, but to be fair, well, it's been chipped in that anyway, and that was what I found under the tank in that. So we'll get some strip on that in the next day or two, get that rubbed back, get some nice good black gloss or whatever. I'll just next that on a fork one. And get these stripped, cleaned up, and in some black paint. After that, like I say, motor's all solid, motor's good. There's a few little things I'll go around that I've got to, obviously that's where it's been banked off to an original 12mm carb. So again, actually looking at that proves at some point this bike's either been played with and then they put it back to stock before they sold it, or whatever. But the nice thing is, it's running, motor sounds good, it's healthy. Do you know what I mean? The bike's pretty original. I'm pretty sure that's even the original end can on it. That's an original front pipe for sure. Yeah. So I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a... I was doing bits on the Viggy this weekend. There's a few things I've noticed that I've got to sort out. But that's another video for tomorrow. But yeah, and after this in a minute, once I finish clearing this up, guess what? Then I've got to piss around, going up in the attic and sorting out some stock photos. So I can fix my own bike this week. As you can see, there's still a few areas of cleaning up. Yeah, that's a bit of back overspray there, but literally the whole frame was covered in it. There's still bits on the shock in that, but yeah, so there you go. My lad's RX50. It's getting there slowly. There's a bit link there for the chain I've got. I've got to put some pressed tyres on it for the MOT and all that. But yeah, there we go. See you all soon.